Okay, we have a Clausen variable speed lathe. 13 by 36. It's a model 1301, serial number 130466, new in 1973. It's variable speed up to 2000 RPM. You can see you have a tailstock and it's moving the coil right now. Jacob's drill chuck in the center of it. He's running it. It has a 10-inch 4-jaw. It has a 3-jaw chuck that's on there. He's variating right now. Machine's nice and smooth. Laura's tool post. There's the brake. Looks good. It's reverse. Low gear. See, so the low and the high gear. It's variable in both. Actually, it has 3 gears. It's 45 up to 2000 RPM. And let's run the feeds, I guess, too.
Yeah.
He's feeding. Now he's feeding the oxygen. Okay. And now he's going to do threading. Getting engaged in the half nut, and we're threading. Yep, see him moving. Okay. Alright, I'll shoot the serial number for you right there. Again, you have a Laura's tool post, 3-jaw chuck, 4-jaw chuck, variable speed, feeds, thread. Thank you for watching the video.